watching?
I was looking at the bait.
I tell you, it's the gate.
You dancing pumpkin.
Baby, you are too big.
It's all right here.
Wow, that hurts.
What's Alyssa doing? Dylan, don't walk in front of me, baby.
It's time to Alyssa. Hi, Taylor. Taylor, she's dancing.
Dance, baby, dance. No.
You see him all sitting down on that box?
Who is that, Zach? Quit.
Dylan, why don't you pick this stuff up off the floor and put it on the couch? The pillow can stay, but everything else they're tripping on.
Hey, baby. Hey, baby.
Zachary, what are you into? You're gonna fall down.
Zachary. Zachary, what you got? It looks like a baby doll. Do you got a baby doll?
Come on, then.
See if you can get all three of them together. I'll take a picture and we'll email it to Nana real quick.
What about me?
You too, baby. You gotta get all three of the babies together.
Baby! Baby!
Huh? Get right here. Get right here, miss.
You get